We've seen a real revenue impact with Intuit Intelligence. It has really helped me to find out the trends of our customers. And that helped me to be able to tailor some of our sales and marketing strategies. This all started with Intuit Intelligence, and I saw the icon up top and I clicked on it and just started asking it questions. I was able to take numbers from 2024 and compare them to 2025, and not only compare overall numbers, but individual customer numbers and individual products. So before the AI tool in QuickBooks, we were still able to get the data that we needed. It took a lot longer and it took more people. What Intuit Intelligence has done for me is I'm now able to focus on more value-added tasks for my company. That really spawned me to dig deeper into Intuit Intelligence to try to find where, as a company, we were falling off and where we were succeeding. So it was able to go in and find which customers were active that were currently inactive and draft an email to send to our customers to try to entice them to come back and continue to do business with us. AI enabled me to get a customer back that we lost. And it's a customer that, quite honestly, I'm embarrassed to say that I probably would have forgot about. Some of the questions that I've asked Intuit Intelligence have spawned deeper conversations with Mike, our fractional CFO. Hey, what can we do to increase sales, or what product lines are we selling the most of? Working with Intuit Intelligence and Mike, our CFO, has really been a good pairing. It enables me to have business at the speed of thought, and then I can take that to an industry leader or an industry expert like Mike to be able to look over that in more detail. The combination of AI and my CFO gives me confidence in that I'm making the right decisions for the company.